Hey DMV, it's me Shiraz from Better Appliances, Manassas, Virginia location. So today I'll be showing you guys a very nice Samsung top load set we have in black stainless color. It's a 5.2 cubic feet washing machine and it's a really good size for king size comforters, and the dryer as well. It's a 7.4 cubic feet dryer and it has all the options you need. So our store price is going for $695, but if you mention the video, we can give you a great deal for only $545 with a 90 days warranty. And we do sell extended warranty as well for up to 5 years for additional cost. So you can give us a call at 571-409-8143 for more information. We sell fridges, stoves, dishwasher, microwaves, and we do package deals as well. So feel free to give me a call and I will be happy to help you guys. Thanks.